Why reduce screen time before bed?
Using screens before bed can disrupt your sleep quality and make it harder to fall asleep. The blue light from phones, tablets, or TVs affects your body's natural sleep cycle. Swapping out screen time for calming activities helps your mind unwind and prepares you for better rest. Discover relaxing alternatives that are easy to start and can positively impact your nightly routine.
1. Enjoy a good book.
Reading a physical book is a gentle way to relax before bed. Choose fiction or nonfiction that interests you, but avoid anything too intense or stressful. Reading helps your mind transition from the busy pace of the day, reduces stress, and can even make you sleepy. Opt for soft lighting to create a cozy, calming atmosphere as you read.
2. Try gentle stretching or yoga.
Light stretching or basic yoga moves can help release physical tension and promote relaxation. Focus on simple poses and slow, deep breathing. Even a few minutes can ease sore muscles and quiet your mind, signaling to your body that it's time to rest. No experience needed. Just move gently and listen to how your body feels.
3. Practice mindful journaling.
Journaling lets you process your thoughts and feelings before bed. Write about your day. Jot down things you're grateful for or set intentions for tomorrow. This mindful habit can reduce anxiety, organize your thoughts, and promote a sense of calm. Use a notebook and pen to keep things screen-free and reflective.
4. Listen to calming audio.
Listening to soothing sounds, audiobooks, or calming music helps signal your brain to wind down. Choose gentle ambient music, nature sounds, or guided meditations. Use a low volume and keep your device's screen face down. Or better yet, use a dedicated audio player. This practice can ease stress and help you drift off more peacefully.
5. Try a warm beverage and mindful breathing.
Enjoying a caffeine-free warm drink paired with slow, mindful breathing can be a comforting ritual. Herbal tea or warm milk are soothing options. As you sip, focus on your breath. Inhale slowly, hold for a moment, and exhale gently. This combination can relax your mind and body, making it easier to transition into restful sleep.
Creating your screen-free nighttime routine.
Try mixing and matching these relaxing activities to create a nightly ritual that works for you. Reducing screen use before bed isn't about giving something up. It's about gaining a more peaceful, restorative end to your day. Making these habits a regular part of your evening can greatly improve your sleep and overall well-being.